Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we'll see how to turn on vibration for silent mode on your iPhone 11. So currently, I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video. And we are currently on the latest iOS version, the iOS 18.3.1. Now to turn on vibration for silent mode on your iPhone 11, just open the Settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now from here, just tap on Haptics. Now from here, just choose anything between Always Play or Play in Silent mode. Now from here, just go back. Now from here, just tap on Notifications. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Phone. Now from here, just tap on Sounds. Now from here, just tap on Haptics. Now from here, just select the vibration style you like so that the phone will vibrate when you receive a call. Or you can also create a new vibration. Now from here, just create the vibration style. Now once you have entered your vibration style, just tap on Save. Now from here, you can name your vibration. And this is how you can turn on vibration for silent mode on your iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.